Okay, so we're going to talk about basic stuff. So if you know this, you can move forward. So what is a server and what is a client? So a server is going to be a computer that does things, services. Could be whatever service. So this server, of course, is going to accept tasks to do. It's going to be awaiting until somebody or something asks him something to do. So the thing that is going to be asking for things is going to be the client. So the client will ask the server for something, and we call this a request. So the server will grab this request, do something, and then is going to send a response with data, with an error, or with whatever, and we call this a response. So now they need a way to talk to each other in a language that they can understand. Then this is going to be called HTTP. Now in the past, we had a little problem. And now be grateful that you have Node.js and you can do everything in JavaScript. And this is the point of this. So I'm going to take this example to a more real life scenario. In my beginning with this, I had a lot of problems because in this case, you have the client, which is the browser, and then you have the web server, of course. And to create a web page, you needed to know at least 2 languages. You need to know JavaScript, of course, from the browser, to create the request or whatever. And then if you want to create a server or to work with the server, you needed to know PHP or Ruby or whatever, just a language that it's client side. So at least you needed to know at least 2 or 3 languages. And that was bad because, why not doing everything at once? So now we have a different choice. Most of the developers were familiar with JavaScript and love JavaScript. So why not creating something that we can use with JavaScript for both things? Why learning 2 languages? If you think about it, makes no sense. So, and then Node.js came into play. So it's going to take this JavaScript we love and it's going to give us the ability to use it for both things. And you might know this term as isomorphic JavaScript. And this is, you're going to be listening this isomorphic word. So this is what it means. It means that we are doing everything with just one code. This is isomorphic. Okay, that's good. So let's move forward and start with servers.